I'm getting sicker with time. I'm coming way too real and I'm blowing your mind. I'm tearing. I won't let up. You need to get up and out and on the floor, cause I'm fed up with rhymes and words that's weak, that's whacked, absurd, polluting the airwaves too often heard. I come through with the rhymes, so true blue with the rhymes. I eat you with the rhymes and on and in time I'm moving with the smoother glue that some consider dangerous. And you're playing this, I ain't new to this. Yeah. It's a Scarface groove. Paris is the name and I'm here to get sick. I mean I'm stronger than a tiger and I'm down with the click, while making sure my song is deafer with an 808 kick. And now you know it, I'm a poet and I'm harder than a brick and making over 3 G's a day. And you say that man's cutting like a blade over sucker DJ. Star shining all the time that I'm standing on stage. It's a Scarface mob and we're sicker than AIDS. What I wrote, it's no joke, there's no hope, it's too dope. You're getting broke by a cutthroat while being killed as the pressure builds. There's no time to rhyme and no time to build. Steadily the medley plays a steadily bass. It's in the place, it's in your face with grace. It's acing and finishing the suckers with my sentence in. You get excited as the rhyme begins. You're going smooth with the Scarface groove. It's the Scarface groove. Yeah, it's the Scarface groove, y'all. You're starting to sweat, I know it's hard to breathe. Rhymes are on time, so you better believe the style. Sick of the style, cause the style is wild. It couldn't never be mild. And now I'll begin to advance in the b-boy stance. The underground sound makes you clap your hand. It's the B-A-Y, do or die. Born to freestyle, born to rise. And now I'll keep on rocking the beat on. No one coming up short, competes on the mic. You're scared, running from the man you fear. P-Dog is sick, boy, you better beware. The man that's coming through with the jams that keep you clapping your hand while I'm moving on, stopping. The party is smooth, 100 below, ice cold. It's a Scarface groove. Yeah, it's a Scarface groove. It's a Scarface groove, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's a Scarface groove. Debuting out, doing, pursuing by coming through and never stopping hip hop. I just drop MCs and ruin. I'm teaching when I'm talking so that you'll get taught. Making sense so intense is the wreckage you bought. I'm stronger, stroking them longer, sticking them dope MCs go under, keeping them down with the Scarface sound. Swimming 9mm laps, MCs will drown. Keep talking it, you might get a house smacked in your mouth. Peas turning it out, money stacking and macking is what I'm talking about. I'm never playing. The rhyme will go colder than ice, but yet hotter than coals. Big soul on a roll at only 20 years old. Keep it going on, stop, and the party is all in a moving. It's smooth again. Scarface is on.